Hello, welcome to another video. Today I will be making a scrapbook page on the COVID-19. I saw this, I hated crowded places before 2020, which was funny, but that didn't give me any other images, so I typed in toilet paper. I used the toilet paper image to spell out COVID-19 2020. I wanted to do something with a mask, but I couldn't find any other good picture than this cute bear. If you want to get rid of the other elements, what you do is you go over there and you click on the eyeball, and the other pictures that you do not want start disappearing. I wanted to remember my new routine during this time. For the other page, my kid is 2, so we're not doing homeschool yet. But I thought this would help some parents find a creative way to remember all the fun stuff they did with their kid while they had to transition to homeschooling. For intricate cuts, I have found the original setting does not work. It turns out like this, which is not good. What I've done is in the settings, I've gone in and on cardstock for intricate cuts, I've changed it to 150 and do it twice. This makes it so it's a lot more kind to the paper and you get the results that you want, which is not tearing your images, like so. Sometimes though, it is a lot easier to just have the Cricut write out what your phrase is that you would like to put. I'll just color this in later. There we go. Now the way to get this 12 by 12 paper off without ruining the paper, we don't want any curling corners, is I turn the mat upside down and you roll the mat instead of the paper. That way your paper stays flat and there's no curly tips. Now I'm going to assemble my page. I decided to do state with the home at the bottom because Utah is the state that told us to stay home, at least for me. For other people, I know it is different states like California or Nevada or Arizona. So wherever you live, the Cricut does have a state that also has the home at the bottom, and it's really cute and nice that they have that. Now I'm just gluing in my pieces. It takes a lot of work and you have to be careful with the glue, but those little pieces ended up going on just fine. For the permanent tape, what I'm using is called Crafter's Tape Permanent. For the phrase, I used a black color pencil to color in my phrase, looking fabulous during pandemic. Thank you to those who have been wearing their mask. In the right corner, I'm going to glue down the mask that we got from the teddy bear, and that's my scrapbook page. I'll make a part 2 for the second page. Thanks for watching. Bye!